Can I use my NVMe as an external storage? In this video, I'm going to show you the best enclosure for our NVMe. This is an NVMe M.2 B-Key, and this is an NVMe M.2 M-Key. This is the NVMe M.2 B-Key enclosure. The cable is USB 3.0 and Type-C. The price in the market is $12. We also have the cheapest type of NVMe M.2 B-Key enclosure. It is USB 3.0 with the price of $7. It has a direct USB 3.0 socket. This NVMe enclosure is one of the best in the market with the price of $20. It can read both NVMe M.2 B and M-Key. This enclosure is a USB to Type-C and Type-C to Type-C cable adapter compatible. You can put NVMe M.2 B-Key and NVMe M.2 M-Key. I would recommend this because it can read both M and B-Key. It is much easier to open, and the data cable can read Type-C to USB and Type-C to Type-C, which is very useful nowadays.